Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that'll have you flying high with excitement. On the left, we've got the high-flying 4K capturing Bwine F7GPS drone. And on the right, the budget-friendly but no less fun DROCON drone. Let's see which one is the right wingman for your aerial adventures. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. All right, let's start with the good old wallet check. The Bwine F7GPS is priced at a hefty $501. That's right, folks, you might need to take out a second mortgage. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is a mere $109. It's like comparing a first-class flight to a budget airline where you have to fight for armrests. Reviewers have noted that while the Bwine F7GPS feels premium and worth the investment, the DROCON is celebrated for its affordability and value for money. So if you're on a budget, the DROCON is already looking pretty fly. Now, let's talk about capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. The Bwine F7GPS comes with a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal. It's like having a Hollywood director in your backpack. On the other hand, the DROCON has a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Think of it as your trusty flip phone camera from 2005, but hey, it gets the job done. Reviewers have praised the Bwine for its outstanding video quality, while DROCON users appreciate the decent performance for its price. If you're looking to make Spielberg jealous, Bwine is your go-to. But for casual snaps, DROCON will do just fine. Next up, flight time. The Bwine F7GPS boasts an impressive 50 minutes of flight time with its dual batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an entire episode of your favorite show. Meanwhile, the DROCON offers up to 24 minutes. Not bad, but you might want to keep an eye on the clock. Reviewers of the Bwine appreciate the extended flight sessions, while DROCON users find the battery life sufficient for quick, fun flights. So if you're planning a marathon aerial session, Bwine's got the stamina. DROCON, it's more of a sprinter. Now let's see how these drones handle the wind, because nobody likes a wobbly flight. The Bwine F7GPS has level 6 wind resistance, which means it's pretty much the Chuck Norris of drones. DROCON? Well, let's just say it's more like a kite on a breezy day. Reviewers have noted that the Bwine holds up well even in windy conditions, while DROCON users have mentioned it struggles with even mild breezes. So if you live in a windy city, Bwine is your best bet. But if your area's calm, DROCON will still take you places. Special features. The Bwine F7GPS is packed with GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky. DROCON, on the other hand, offers gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. It's like the circus act of drones. Reviewers of the Bwine appreciate the advanced functionalities for serious flying, while DROCON users love the fun and interactive features. If you're into high-tech, Bwine's your guy. But if you want to impress your friends with some cool tricks, DROCON's got the flair. Finally, let's talk customer support. Bwine promises quick resolution of issues and is always eager to keep you pleased. DROCON offers a 365-day warranty and promises to solve any problems within 12 hours. Reviewers have praised Bwine for their helpful and responsive service, while DROCON users appreciate the year-long peace of mind. Both sound great. But let's be real. Who's counting minutes when your drone is stuck in a tree? At least with DROCON, you can rest easy for a whole year. Overall, the Bwine F7 GPS is highly praised by users for its professional-grade features, excellent camera quality, and impressive flight time. It's seen as a worthy investment for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is loved for its affordability, fun features, and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. Both drones have their unique strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 GPS is the Rolls-Royce of drones, luxurious, packed with features, and ready to soar through any challenge. The DROCON drone, on the other hand, is the reliable Toyota, affordable, fun, and perfect for beginners. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.